future days. I turned off all the lights. Oh, the future days. You were by my side. Will you explain? Oh, yeah. Real rivalries for those future days.
Hi, I'm Barbara Fiallo. We're at the Victoria's Secret backstage in New York. I'm so excited. This is my first year and the show will be more amazing than ever. And I'm so happy to be here and so happy to see you.
That you were there last night. And oh, were you afraid? What things we come upon while playing future games.
I'm wearing two looks. One of them in the opening scene, which is the circus, which is a sexy circus with acrobats, and it's so amazing. And another one in the calendar girls of the month of August, and it's so beautiful. It's amazing. The entire year will unfold, and each girl represents a month, and the outfits represent what that month has of more special. And I'm a summer girl. I'm always working out very much, and I'm always eating very healthy. So the past weeks I just took that extra push, that extra 20%, you know. But it's about being healthy, it's about being confident. And to do that and to be that, you have to be healthy, you know. You have to eat well and exercise and sleep and all of those things that are important, and you can see it transcends if you're healthy and happy. Beijo at Fashion TV.
But baby, it's alright. It's so happy. Oh, yeah. Doing the future that you want to face.
Hi guys, my name is Beati Prensua. We are backstage at the Victoria's Secret show in New York City. I am wearing beautiful outfits. I'm a witch in one. I'm Halloween, October, and then I'm a flower in the other one with huge flower petal wings, which is incredible. The show this year is crazy. There's a whole circus performance. It's gonna be insane. I've been doing a lot of yoga and Pilates and stuff, and I've been trying to do it a while before the show, so when it's here I don't stress out as much. So I'm like relaxed and ready to do this. And I'm just, you know, try and stay healthy and happy and just enjoy it. What makes a woman sexy? Confidence, a good sense of humor, just be herself, I guess, and have fun at whatever you do. I don't know.
Hi, I'm Lily Aldridge, and this is Victoria's Secret show. I am in two sections. I'm in Calendar Girls, and I'm wearing an American flag. It's amazing for 4th of July. And then I'm in Angels in Bloom, and I have a beautiful flower I'm wearing, and I have wings in both looks, so I'm really excited. It's a big deal, and it's going to be amazing. Just being confident and, you know, I'm a mommy now, so I feel very proud of the work I've done and, you know, proud of her, so I feel very confident and womanly. we're all best friends. They're all my girlfriends, all the angels. We talk all the time. Erin's my daughter's godmother. So like these girls are my family.
This is Dawson Cruz and you're watching the Victoria's Secret show here in New York. I think it's all about how you feel, and it's for every human being. I think when you're confident, I think you send out something extra and it makes you more beautiful. And I think to boost your confidence, I think that's why Victoria's Secret is really important personally to me, because I'm a mom, and when I first started working again for Victoria's Secret and they did my hair and makeup and they made me feel beautiful and sexy lingerie, I felt beautiful again. And as a mom, like moms know, you don't always necessarily feel sexy or beautiful, but so I have a really personal connection with that. I'm in 3 sections. First section is circus, and I'm a poodle, so it's really fun and cute, and I have all these little furry things here. And second one, I'm in dangerous liaisons, and I'm more serious with black wings, and it's with Rihanna, which is really exciting. And then the last one, I'm in the silver screen angels, which is based on all the old Hollywood stars, and it's really, really glamorous, and I'm wearing a beautiful headpiece with feathers, and I mean, it's so beautiful. What they make every year, it's amazing. And the performances, and I just can't wait to get on the runway now. There's been so many preparations, like workout and eating regimens, and so I'm really, really excited now. Ready to go.
You better take your time. You know there's no mistake. The future starts to stop mind. We will create. But baby, it's alright. And so happy. Oh yeah. You invent the future that you want to make.
Cara Delevingne here from the Victoria's Secret show. I love fashion TV. I'm wearing a very sweet little green bra with some latex skirt, like a little tutu kind of thing, and some no peeking pants. It's very funny, very cool. Oh, what makes me feel sexy? Amazing lingerie, it's true. It really does. It really makes all the difference. If you've got it on underneath your clothes, you feel that kind of strong woman empowerment. It's cool. It's nice. I mean, it's not even about wearing the clothes. It's the fact that I'm doing VS. It's such a compliment. I think when you're a model, it's the epitome of strong woman, sexy. So I think you never have any idea. I was like, that's a kind of dream. So I guess it's mad. It's crazy. It's so cool. Oh my God, I know a lot of the girls here, most of them, and they're all so lovely. It's so nice to be around all of them and kind of in the VS family. It's so nice. It's really, really nice feeling, especially because I'm so nervous. It's good to have everyone there keeping you sane.